Congress General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi on Saturday announced a statewide agitation against the deteriorating law and order situation across the state of Uttar Pradesh, a day after 8 policemen were gunned down by dreaded criminals in Kanpur.
अगर हम ये डिमांड नहीं करेंगे कि कोई परिवर्तन आए, तो ये एक ऐसा सिलसिला बन जाएगा कि यूपी की सरकार तो वैसे भी समझ रही है कि चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, कहीं घोटाला हो रहा है, भ्रष्टाचार हो रहा है, ना आपको आवाज उठाने दे रहे हैं। कह रहे हैं कि कहीं कहीं सरकार विज्ञापित कर रही है कि अगर आप आवाज उठाएंगे आप पे मुकदमे किए जाएंगे।
In the coming days, the party will launch a protest against the lawlessness across the state. The strategy of the protest is being chalked out at the state level. The decision was taken in a meeting chaired by Priyanka Gandhi, also the in charge of party's affairs in Uttar Pradesh. The meeting was attended by top party leaders of the state, including State Chief Ajay Lallu, Senior Congress leader Rajiv Shukla and Jitin Prasad. The meeting comes just a day after the gruesome killing of 8 cops in state's Kanpur district. The Congress leaders hit out at the state government over its failure in handling the law and order situation and giving a free run to criminals across Uttar Pradesh.
मुख्यमंत्री जी बताएं कि वो जिम्मेदारी ले रहे हैं कि नहीं ले रहे हैं। ठोस कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, पूरी तरह से पारदर्शिता के साथ कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए। जो कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए वो तय करें।
In the meeting of the Planning and Strategy Committee, discussions were also held regarding the upcoming local body elections in the state. The Congress has been working for the people in distress due to the lockdown and coronavirus in the leadership of Priyanka Gandhi. The party sees Priyanka as the face which can boost up the morale of the party workers across the state. Priyanka Gandhi over the past few months has come across as the most vocal opposition leader in the state, consistently taking on the Yogi Adityanath government over a range of issues.
राजनीति बंद करिए, ये राजनीति का समय नहीं है। ये वो समय है जब पूरा देश इकट्ठा होना चाहिए, जब हर राजनीतिक पार्टी के नेता सबको इकट्ठा होकर अपनी अलग-अलग राजनीतिक परहेजों को दूर करके, अपनी विचारधारा के जो डिफरेंसेस हैं उनको दूर करके हम सबको इकट्ठा होकर लोगों की मदद करनी है।
Priyanka Gandhi has lashed out at the Yogi government for the deteriorated law and order situation in the state.